Hey everyone, you are watching Technology Welfare. In this tutorial, I will show you everything step by step with real demonstrations how to unlock any iPhone lock to owners without doing a jailbreak at your home. No hassle. Yes, any iPhone that is stuck on a iCloud activation lock links and asking enter the Palladium password that were used to set up this device, then how do you wipe out the permanently? We will see live in these tutorials. Within a 10 minutes, of course, we can unlock it. How it is? Just we will go for run as administration, that is password iPhone unlocks. There are the various kind of the feature on this, especially software. One is especially a screen passcode. Second is especially you can remove also especially Apple ID from this device permanently. Of course, you can bypass also mobile device management locks. And of course, time screen passcode. This can be also unlocked here. But right now we are facing a problem on this device, that is a lock to owners, that is yes iCloud activation lock link. So you would like to remove by tapping on here. See, here is a clearly no jailbreak is required. So simply we will connect with the especially PC or laptop, and upon we'll go for start it. So when we start, then it will start to get us some activation information. We will have to wait, and thereupon of course it has automatically pushed this device into the recovery mode. So just we will wait a few seconds when it will be switched off. Yes, switched on in a recovery mode. Now see here what we will do here. Yes, we have a information that we can go for a start, but we will have to especially hold down volumes and keep holding on off key or power button, you can say. And thereupon of course we will have to leave this. So let's see practical. Yes, we will start. Let's check it out. Start. Yes, click on a start and we will down volumes. So start, down volume, hold at this, then we will have to leave it on off key, keep holding especially this down buttons. So now see, it has pushed into the removing iCloud activation lock. How easily? Just down volume, on off this ones, keep holding till it's not going succeed, then leave it especially this. There is all especially a specific guidance and instruction on particular this device will guide you to especially how do you. So now see, now it's on a black screen and everything's in front of you. Within 5 to 10 minutes of course you can unlock it. So just we will wait here. Yes, it has a rest on especially I'm 29%. So we will have to wait here and see in front of you everything's going on. Yes, it has erased on 50% almost. No hassle is required, guys. With the help of laptop or PC on any operating system, you can execute this procedure. Just we will have to go especially installation of this software, and this software of course you can pick it from the description box. With one click you will be able to install it in your PC or laptops, and thereupon connect a data cable and go ahead. Similar strategy step by step. Please don't skip ahead. Every step is very crucial. We will see at the end of this tutorial. Yes, it's taking a few seconds more here. Don't worry. Now see here, it's still the rolling on especially 59% fines. We'll have to wait here, guys. Now 61, 62, fine, 64, 5, fine. It's still processing. No failure. So of course we can now see successfully it has is completed. Here is a sync clearly message. We can see here that your device has successfully removed the iCloud activation locks. So now it's restarting. We will have to wait here. Check it out. So almost we have reached to the especially. Now see here, directly we came on a home screen. Just we will click on here. Now see. What do you say, guys, here? Is there any doubt? Blindly you can have with this FaceLime these tools. And this is a, yes, iPhone's 10X especially now that we can see here, it has completely remote. So to know more information,